Did you know most workplace accidents are preventable? The secret weapon? HSE risk assessment. In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to protect your team and your business. Let's go. 1. What is HSE risk assessment? HSE stands for Health, Safety, and Environment. And a risk assessment is all about spotting hazards before they cause harm. It's not just about following rules, it's about saving lives and avoiding costly disasters. 2. The 5 fast steps to risk assessment. Step 1. Identify hazards. Look around. What could cause harm? Machinery chemicals, even stress or fatigue. Tip. Ask your employees. They often notice risks you might miss. Step 2. Identify who's at risk. Think about everyone: workers, visitors, contractors. For example, delivery drivers might face loading risks. Don't leave anyone out. Step 3. Evaluate and control the risks. Ask yourself, how likely is it? How severe could it be? Then control it using the hierarchy of controls. 1. Eliminate the hazard. 2. Substitute with something safer. 3. Engineer controls. Barriers, ventilation. 4. Administrative controls. Training, signs 5 PPE. Gloves, helmets, your last resort. Step 4. Record your findings. Keep it simple but clear. List hazards, who's at risk, and what you're doing to control it. Proof of action matters. Step 5. Review and update workplaces change. So should your risk assessment. Check after accidents, new equipment, or once a year. Risk assessments aren't just paperwork, they save lives. A safe workplace means happier, more productive teams, and fewer headaches for you.